My name is David Cook, and I'm the Executive Director of Institutional Research at Illinois Central College, ICC. ICC is a comprehensive two-year community college. We're part of the Illinois Community College system. We serve roughly 20,000 students each year through a variety of academic programming and a wide array of workforce and community-based non-credit programs and courses as well. One of the key analysis and reporting tools we have under the hood at ICC is pyramid analytics. Fortunately, we knew and have known for some time that for a variety of reasons, our BI platform was underutilized, and we desperately needed to address that. We have an employee base that's hungry for data and information about our students and their progression and their performance. So the challenges we faced with our BI Center environment really limited access to consistent, accurate information for decision making and created at times a bottleneck here in our office. When people can't find what they need on the BI Center once, they tend not to return. And they'll revert back to calling or emailing the IR office for what they need. And that was costing us the opportunity, really. I was able to kind of narrow down my list to what it was I was looking for to about 3 or 4 maybe appropriate firms. And among those was KASH Tech. Company profile looked to be exactly what we were looking for. And it seemed that KASH Tech genuinely wanted to know about our challenges and how they could help. We always felt like, having a framework, having a consistent approach to design would really catalyze. So we decided to partner with KASH when it became clear to us that the kind of work that we imagined in terms of establishing those easy to follow design principles in our BI platform in pyramid analytics, KASH Tech had a lot more to offer us than just that. KASH could provide us with development support as well. Working directly with my analysts here in the IR office and creating different types of visualizations, ensuring functional integration among dashboard elements, like how we wanted users to apply slicers and to see cascading changes across, the different dashboard elements, how we could layer the pages in our dashboards, primary issues to better guide users to more detailed analyses so that we're making good use of our time and we're making good use of the time of our subject matter experts who were providing input to us throughout these development phases. And again, KASH, it seemed to me, truly did want to help us, not just to sell us with solutions and valuable and thoughtful ways about doing this important work and sustaining it. Really pleased with the results so far. So we now have replicable visualization elements to use across different BI issues or topics, and that's increasing the speed with which we'll be able to roll out material regularly. We've got a standard of appearance that's consistent of all of those different BI items, so we know they all mesh together very nicely, and we know that should foster adoption among end users. We're gaining a lot more hands-on expertise in kind of projecting the types of questions our users will have and different ways of analyzing those data in our models, really leveraging that information that's there. And like I said before, we've got an established, predictable workflow by which we can kind of break down and assign our work on our different BI Center elements. And so we anticipate having, an information ecosystem that's a lot easier for us to maintain into the future.